Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide messages in MS Teams. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your MS Teams app on your PC. On the left hand side, you can see there are various options such as activities, chat, teams, assignment, calendar, calls, and files. To hide the chat of your friends, your colleagues, or anyone, you have to go to the chats. Point the cursor to the message of the person who you want to hide, and these two options will appear. Click on these three horizontal dots. Then on the third last option, there is the option of hide. Click on hide. And now your conversation is hidden. And that is how you hide the conversation or the message of any person in your MS Teams by using your PC. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.